Yeah, this is part 3 to the refrigerator repair. So far, what I've done is that I've taken off the access valve. I just removed these 3 screws. As I showed you before, I used this in the past to test the pressure, but because of the curve in the line, I think when I actually punctured it, because of the curve, a little bit of refrigerant was leaving. So it contributed to the leakage of the refrigerant in this system. So I've removed it and I've replaced it, or joined the line, so to speak, with this right there. It's a compression union. So you can see right there where I joined the line, all it is tightened up on these 2 nuts. There are some little pieces of metal inside that holds on to the pipe. Those are called olives, and the olives meter inside of the union section right there, and you just come tighten these 2 ends while holding the middle. I did that with a few of my spanners here, and so that's that, and I tightened it as much as possible. And my next step now is that this little stub here, so this is my suction line, this is my discharge line, which is of a smaller diameter. This one is copper, no problem. I could put on an access valve on this if I wanted to. But because this is aluminum and I don't have any special solder to do this, that's why I had to use this union fitting to rejoin the pipe. Okay, so right here is the stub where you can use for charging. So I've already have my tube cutter on, and all I'm doing is as I spin, I tighten. As I turn, I tighten. As I turn, I tighten. Just a little bit more as I turn, and eventually it's gonna snap right off. You have to kind of get a feel for this. Yep, that's it right there. So I've carved into this suction pipe, and right there I'm going to braze one of these little guys, which this is access valve. So I'm going to stick it right in there, and I'm going to braze it in. Yep, so I'm going to stick this right inside here, and I'm going to braze it in, and you're going to see how I do that in my next segment. So I'll be back with a part 4. I'm sorry that I had to break this up in so many parts, but as usual I don't have a camera personnel. So later.